Just wanted to show you guys I buy the almonds whole and then I soak them in water for a couple of hours so that they get soft, and then I just peel the outer coating, and they love it. So the benefits of putting the almonds in water and softening them up is just it's easier for them to digest. Nothing wrong with giving it to them raw, but when it's soft and soaked in water, it's just easier for them to digest, and we just kind of get this in bulk, and then I soak it, take out the outer coating. See, he knows, he likes it, and give it to him, and he loves it. Here, there we go. Is it yummy? Where are you going, mister? You like it? There, he loves it. Is that your treat? Yeah, is that your treat? Is it yummy? Yum. Hi. Also, we are now in January, and you notice the feathers are not really looking in the best of shape. And that's because we are soon going to be approaching molting season. And like clockwork, around the end of January, he starts to get hormonal. So now he's like feeding everything. He's regurgitating food on his toys, on like my fingers. So it's almost like clockwork, and this will last, I would say, till the end of March. And around the end of April is when he starts molting. So his feathers tend to not look as crisp around this time, like coming on to molting season. So I just, you know, try to put them to bed earlier when they're super hormonal. Like I'll shut their lights off and put them to bed around 7:45, 8, where usually they would stay up till like 8:30. And I wake them up a little bit later too, so they get extra hours of sleep. So just you can accommodate different things to make it a little bit better for them during this time. You like it? Yeah? Was he yummy? Was he yummy, Milo? Yummy. Yummy. It's very yummy. What you doing? Come here. Oops, my phone's in there. Oopsie. Yeah, there's more. There's more in there. No, but it's not for you. You want more? Where's he going? Ooh. Mister? Look at him. Yum. What's there? What's in there? You think you can reach it? You gonna climb up? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's Milo? Where's Milo? Peekaboo. Hi. Hi, baby. Come here. Where are you going? Don't run away. Eating your scraps over there. Are you eating your scraps? Yeah. Hi. What do you guys feed your parrots? Besides almonds, which seems to be the popular choice for most bird owners. I don't do walnuts or cashews or anything like that. Almonds is the only thing I give them in terms of nuts. And then chickpeas is another favorite. So yeah, what do you guys give your birds? You want more? I just gave you 2. Here's one. Come on. Can you get it? There we go. Yummy in your tummy. Is that a treat? Now don't say I didn't give you a treat, okay? I give you 2. Give you a treat? I already did, Milo. Yeah, I already did. I don't go lying to people and saying I don't give you a treat, okay? You like it? Bye, guys. Have a good day. Say bye. No? Okay, he's too busy.